In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and resize columns in Card, which is a fundamental part of Card basics. To kick things off, we'll first dive into the Card editor. This is your main workspace where all the magic happens. It might seem a bit daunting at first, but once you familiarize yourself with its layout, you'll find it's quite intuitive. Now let's focus on adding elements to your Card project. You'll want to direct your attention to the Add Element button. This is your gateway to introducing new sections or components to your page. Once you click Add Element, you'll see several options. For our purpose, you'll need to choose Container. This container element is essentially a holding box where you can organize content, and in this scenario the focus is on constructing a column layout. It's a handy feature that allows you to neatly section your content without overwhelming the page layout. After you've added the container, the next step is setting the type to columns. This is crucial as it transitions a simple container into a multi-column format. You'll start to see how your page can be divided into different sections, offering a more tailored structure for presenting content. Now, to make your page more dynamic, you'll likely want to add more columns. Look for the Add button. Clicking this allows you to extend your container, introducing additional columns as you see fit. This flexibility is great for formatting your page into a clean and organized look. You can add as many columns as you need, but remember to keep your audience in mind and aim for readability. Next up is adjusting the widths of these columns, which is a crucial part of the process. You have full control here as Card lets you resize each column to suit the needs of your content. Simply click and drag the edges to set the width. This can be particularly useful if you have content that varies in length or importance. For example, perhaps you have a main image and some accompanying text. That text might not need as much space as the image, so you can adjust accordingly. Once you're satisfied with how your columns are sized, it's time to start populating them. This involves dragging and dropping the elements you want into each column. Whether it's text, images, or other multimedia components, simply move them over to the designated column and release them into place. It's like arranging building blocks. You have the creative freedom to organize each column exactly how you envision it. Finally, once you've got all your elements in place and are happy with the layout, you'll want to click Done. This saves your work and finalizes the adjustments. Try not to rush through these steps. Give your page a final look over to ensure everything is in place and functioning as expected. With practice, you'll not only streamline the process, but also develop an eye for effective design within Card. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial empowers you to create beautifully structured pages with ease.